Okay, we're here today at the Promenade in Santan Valley. It's a Fulton Homes development. We're going to be looking at the Jericho. It's a single-story split floor plan, and it has a formal dining room or office in it, as well as a wonderful water feature in the backyard. A beautiful thing here in the Southeast Valley is that obviously there's more new homes being built here because there's available land. And another bonus to that is that you're going to get more home for your value. And that's simply because you're going to get a larger, newer, better home than you would for the same price. You'd get a smaller, older home in, say, proper Mesa, Tempe, and Chandler. So that's what draws a lot of people out here. It's a very growing area, the Queen Creek Santan area. I'm Ed Heiser, your Southeast Valley real estate agent, and if you're returning to my channel, I want to welcome you back. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you aboard. So come along with me and let's take a look at the Jericho at the Promenade by Fulton Homes. That was another beautiful home by Fulton here at the Promenade in the Santan Valley, the Fairwinds. If you would like to see this model, I would love to show it to you. Just give me a call, reach out. I have a wonderful relationship with these builders. You know, whether it's the Fairwinds model here at the Promenade, or a Fairway model, or any neighborhood here in the Southeast Valley, I would love to help you reach your real estate dreams. My contact information is right here. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you aboard. If you're coming back, I want to welcome you back. I continuously put out current information to be a source for you and keep you updated on our ever-changing real estate market here in the beautiful Valley of the Sun. As always, reach out to me. Would love to help you, love to talk to you. And remember, I'm always just a phone call away.